So this video is regarding the ratchet gear right here on the handbrake of this is on a Chevy Cobalt, and a lot of people say they find this little piece because it no longer ratchets, it just becomes loose, and so they, after taking it apart, they find this little piece just sitting there in the car. And a lot of people say to replace the whole handbrake, but all it is just wedged right down in here. Not sure if you can see it, but you can basically make sure that the teeth are facing up so that it clicks going up but locks going down, and just get it in there and start wedging it. I used a little pry bar to go ahead and wedge it in. Alright, so my son already took this out, so we're going to do this a little opposite process here, and just show you how to put it back in, and you can do the opposite to take it out. But I forgot to mention, since it's pressed in there, it does take some work to get in, but if you're worried about it popping out, you might do like I did, and I put some super glue around all the edges there so that hopefully it works down inside and hopefully it stays. But really there's no rivet or no nothing, it just presses in. So let's see if we can get this back in. Get it underneath. There is a connector here. Let's pop in that connector right there. And you got your two little pins here, the cables. Let's work those up. The clips need to go in there. Oh, maybe we should pull it forward. Push the clips in first. Okay, there's that one. There it goes. Okay, so get those in. And then I think this drops down. Let's go this way. And if you want, this is the tensioner here, so we can undo that. Loosen that up a little bit. Maybe I should get it on there first. There it goes. Pins in there. just like so. Okay. Size 13 socket. Get one right here. That one. And there's 4 of them. One right under here. It helps to take out the 2 sides of this plastic mount or plastic trim for this so that it can move over like that. And those pins are right here and right here, one on each side. Carpet over. That one started. That one started. Alright, so I moved the seat all the way forward, and then you can reach it right here. Which, oh, what size was this guy? Size 7. Screw that pecker in, and I'm going to move this seat. Alright, driver's seat forward. Where are you at? Okay. Now I got some pieces. This one. And then the handle. Which I wonder if I should tighten this up some more. That. Just pops down. It just pops down. Actually, pop that one up first, and then this one. Pops down, pops down, and now it works again. That's that.